Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Qiagen product RNeasyMiniKit. Over here we can see the brand name Qiagen. The product name RNeasyMiniKit 50 quantity. We can store at normal room temperature 15° to 25° Celsius. Here also we can see the lot number. The reference number of this kit is 74104. Over here we can see the manufacturing address also. So this is the overall front view of this product. On the side we can see there are some details. Manufacturing from Germany. This pack contains one kit of 50 reactions. Here also we can see the expiry date also. Here we can see the manufacturing address clearly. This product is originated from Germany. So the manufacturing also is from Germany. This is side view. This is a back view. This is a side view instructions there. On this side view we can see RNeasyMiniKit 50 reactions. CAT number for this kit 74104. Store at normal room temperature 15° Celsius to 25° Celsius. For molecular biology applications, not intended for diagnostic purposes. Product of Germany. This is the overall view of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. Here you go for open. After opening you can see clearly the quick start protocol. There are two quick start protocol. Here we can see clearly there are two quick start protocols. A quick start protocol RNeasyMiniKit part 1. A quick start protocol RNeasyMiniKit part 2. Here we can see clearly. Further information, notes before starting. This is for part 2. Further information, notes before starting. On column, DNA digestion. So I am going to keep this aside. Next one is collection tubes 2 ml for 50 reactions. It is a well sealed pack. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a collection tubes for 1.5 ml 50 reactions. This is also a closed seal pack. I'm going to keep this aside. And next one is buffer RW1 wash buffer 45 ml. So the next one is buffer RLT license buffer 45 ml. These are one quantity. The next one is buffer RPE wash buffer 11 ml concentrate at 44 ml ethanol. So this is a volume of 11 ml. One quantity or one ounce. Here we can see RNeasyMiniKit free water volume of 10 ml. It also a one quantity. So on the final one is RNeasyMini spin column. One rack contains 10 reactions. So they are totally of 5 racks. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about Qiagen RNeasyMiniKit mini kit for 50 reactions. This kit contains part 1 and part 2 of quick start protocol, 1 ounce of RNeasyMiniKit free water volume of 10 ml, 1 ounce of buffer RW1 wasp buffer 45 ml quantity of 1, buffer RLT lysis buffer 45 ml 1 quantity, buffer RPE wasp buffer 11 ml concentrate. Kindly add 44 ml ethanol. This buffer contains 11 ml. So then spin column reactor for 50 reactions and collection tubes for 50 reactions volume of 2 ml and collection tubes of 1.5 ml 50 reactions. This is an overall view. Thank you.